Hi, welcome to yet another video. In this video, I will be reviewing the new LG Nano 82 4K TV that was launched in mid 2022. I've tested it on various parameters and conditions, and in this video, I will be telling you all that. The model that I have is the 65-inch version, and the complete model name is LG 65Nano826QB. This TV is available in 50, 55, 65 and 75-inch versions. I have also done the unboxing and the detailed assembly video of this TV. You can see that from the cards above and also in the video description. On my channel, I plan to do videos about how you as a customer can make sound, informed and sustainable decisions about buying your gadgets. I will talk about this more in my final thoughts about this TV and whether you should buy it or not. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification so that you get notified about all blah 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 blah. You know that what I'm saying, right? I'm Sadiq, you're watching Tech Swag. Let's start. Let's first talk about the build quality and aesthetics. The TV comes with narrow bezels, sharp edges, a very minimalistic sensor and LED indicator panel. The only physical button it has is concealed below the panel. The only branding you see in front is on the right bottom. All summed up, the frame is pretty decent. The TV stand is center mounted and there is no height adjustment option. And because of a center mounted stand, in case of larger TV, the TV may rock a bit if there is any pressure or if there is movement on the table. The back panel is made of metal and has a nice brushed metal finish. The TV comes with standard wall mounting options. All the inputs are located towards the left hand side of the TV. Here first we can see one USB, then there is a common interface, then there are two HDMI. The one is the normal one, the other one is the e-arc one, and another two HDMI inputs on the side panel. Then on the bottom we have another USB. This is the second one, followed by antenna, then satellite, LAN and the optical digital audio output. The LG Nano 82 has a 60Hz edge-lit IPS panel. This also has local dimming feature, which makes for a better viewing experience in a dark room. This features puts it ahead of Nano 75, 76, 80 and 81. Being an IPS panel, the contrast of this TV does not stand out so much, but it is not bad either. The maximum brightness on this panel is a little more than average at this price point. The TV performs quite well with HDR and HLG HDR content. The color gamut is wide, but it tends to look a little bit oversaturated at vivid picture settings. The advantage of having an IPS panel is clearly visible with wide viewing angle. The TV also has adaptive brightness, which means it can adjust according to room brightness. You get various picture profiles, which are usually a good fix for most of the situations, but I recommend to play around with the settings for optimized experience. The TV has 5th generation LG Alpha processor, which is a quad-core processor. The TV also has AI upscaling. This TV has F energy rating, which is slightly better than most of its competition at its price point. LG Nano 82 has a 20-watt sound output and does a pretty decent job for normal TV and movie experience. But if you are an audiophile, then adding a soundbar is a good point to consider. The TV responds well to good Wi-Fi speeds. The remote has a built-in mic, has mouse cursor and scroll features, which make browsing and navigation very easy. The WebOS has all the usually needed applications like Amazon Prime, Netflix, YouTube, etc. Along with this, it supports a ton of other applications like browser and simple claims. Altogether, the WebOS along with the Magic Remote do a really commendable job. Nice build quality, nice finish, tactile buttons. This is the scroll, and you can see in the background the mouse function. Latest Bollywood songs.
I'll look up latest Bollywood songs in YouTube.
Let us also talk about the other TVs that are competitors or have similar features. So you can keep these in mind for any bargain deals. These are Sony X80J, Sony X81K, LG Nano 75, LG Nano 76 and LG Nano 81. So my final thoughts about LG Nano 82. This is a pretty decent TV at this price point. It has good build quality, nice picture quality, nice sound output, and it has local dimming as well as energy rating that is a little bit more efficient than the competition. The WebOS operating system and the Magic Remote really give it an edge above the competition if we are not talking about the Android TVs. I've also tested this with playing videos from USB as well as from the hard drive, and both work pretty good. The hard drive that I used, one was the recent one as well as one was kind of 10 years old, but it performed okay on both the hard drives. All summed up, this is a slightly above average TV at this price point. If you already have a large TV from year 2020 or beyond and you are still looking for an upgrade, this may not be the right TV to go for. I would recommend to go for either mini LED TV from LG or Neo QLED from Samsung. And if you want a TV to play the games from a latest console, then also this is not the right choice for you because of the non-variable refresh rate and also no support for the HDMI 2.1. If you found value in this video, please smash that like button and also consider subscribing to this channel. I will put a few important links in the video description. Make sure you check that out. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next.